Okay, so some of you guys who have been following me for a while, you already know my bedroom and what it looks like and what I'm all about when it comes to making your bedroom your sanctuary, making it comfortable for you, especially if you're a hard worker and you look forward to just relaxing in your bedroom like I do. Well, I made some changes in our master bedroom and I'm loving the look. I'm not quite there. I'm going to be honest. I'm not quite there, the look I'm trying to achieve. So I may have to do something with my walls. I'm not sure yet, but I wanted to show you what I've done so far. I did replace the mirrors above our nightstands to these gold mirrors that are about 6 feet tall. They're gorgeous. And I got them from Home Goods, of course. And they were like $120. They weren't expensive at all. I've also partnered up with Lamps Plus over on Instagram, and they gifted me a lot of goodies, including these lamps that I have above our nightstands that I just love, love, love. Add electrical outlets to the ceilings because I wanted pendant lights to come down over our bedside table, which I just love that look. And it's so beneficial because you have space on your table to put more things. My husband, he has a lot of junk. I'm not really putting them out there, but I have some junk too. It's very beneficial to have that extra space. And it seems less cluttered because you want that less cluttered look in your bedroom because that's the place where you're supposed to relax and just, just chill. So I want to show you and go into detail about these beautiful lamps that I got from Lamps Plus. I'm putting fresh linens on our bed. When putting on your top sheet, remember to put it on upside down so when you fold it back, you can see the pretty details on the sheet. I'm switching out my quilts. Living in Florida, you have to layer up because some days it's cold, some days it's not. And I just like to layer up my beds with layers of comfort. So my sister gave me this beautiful quilt. Isn't it pretty? It just reminds me of my grandma. My sister knows how much I love, love, love quilts. We both love quilts, and this was just like a favorite of mine. I just like the little detail on it, and it just reminds me of my grandma. And this is the one that was on my bed. It is from Better Homes and Gardens from Walmart. You guys could get that. Then I'm just going to throw my comforter that's on it that matches it. Matches my blue rug. You guys know I just love, love, love the blues. So let me just throw this on the bed. This is really a lightweight quilt that's reversible. It really gives you two different looks. And when I'm tired of one side, I'll just flip it over. I'm also a pillow lover. I really do not mind putting them on and taking them off the bed almost each day. I'm layering with a heavier quilt because temperatures do fall in the evening and I sleep with the air conditioning and the fan on at the same time. My poor husband. If you have mirrored furniture, then you know. Sprayway is my go-to all day. It's not only cheap, but it leaves glasses and mirrors streak-free. Oh yes, it's a total win. I've styled our bedside tables with simplicity, in my opinion, the faux flowers with the look of real water. I can handle. Me don't do real plants at all. This little trinket box is from At Home Stores, sitting on a marble tray, and hubby uses it to put his loose change and or whatnots. You can also use it to house your remotes. Another tray is on my side. It's from Home Goods. You guys know I love me some marble and I love the detail. You can use these trays in your bathroom to display soaps, lotions, dish liquid, makeup. I'm using to put my carafe on because I get thirsty in the middle of the night, and my mirrored tissue box. A few years ago, I made a design choice to add electrical outlets above our nightstand to put pendant lights. It creates an elegant look, plus it frees up space on your nightstand for more important things. Lamps Plus was so gracious to gift me these hammered champagne gold matte bronze finish pendants. It instantly caught my eyes. It uses 6 candelabra bulbs, but I'm only using 3 in each because it's still plenty of light. Plus we have it on a dimmer. To my surprise, it has a double drum shade which helped to diffuse the light. The other day, I was cleaning our baseboards in our bathroom, and this is the one place I often forget, and that's our linen closet, especially at the bottom. It was just horrendous. Even the shelving was dusty, oh my god. Our towels and washcloths, they need a little purging. This is for those who say my house is spick and span. I'm proving you wrong right here and today. You see it? You see it? I'm using this shark attachment to tackle this job. I use it in my cars, under the seat, anywhere where there's a tight corner. Oh, there's nothing like it when you find a gadget that actually works. This window vac is the truth. It comes with a mist bottle, wiping attachment, vacuum attachment blade. The battery lasts up to 45 minutes long, which saves you time while you're cleaning. And it has a detachable water tank, and most of all, it's cordless. I'll leave a clickable link for your shopping convenience. If you never tried using rubbing alcohol and essential oil with a little water in your diffuser, you are missing out. It helps to absorb any lingering smells. If you used only alcohol, it will quickly dissipate and the oil will mask the alcohol scent. If you're on a budget and you're trying to secure your coins, this is a budget-friendly alternative. Plugins can be so expensive, and I've had this diffuser for years, and I'll try to link a similar one down below. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be on the lookout for my short videos in between the longer videos to hold you over, and be sure to subscribe to my Instagram and my TikTok so you don't miss out. We have tons of fun over there as well, and I want to thank you all for watching.